welcome to my channel. Let's learn with Navya Anand. As you all know, Dusshera is around the corner and today I am making a Dusshera craft. For this, we need 1 glitter sheet, colorful sheets, scissor, black sketch pen, thread, decorative items, plate, glue. So let's get started. For making this craft, I am tracing the circle. Cut the circle with the scissor. Now I am drawing Ravanji's mukut. Apply glue and paste mukut on the circle. Now I am decorating my mukut. Now I am drawing eyes. Now I am drawing eyebrows. Now I am drawing nose. For making muche, fold the paper like this and draw. Now apply glue and paste it on the mask. Now I am drawing mouth. Now make hole on both sides and tie thread. Now my Ravan face mask is ready. होती जीत सत्य की और असत्य की हार, यही संदेश देता है दशहरे का त्योहार. Happy Dussehra! Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.